The Master's in Information Systems program, honestly, is one of the biggest values to it is that it's flexibility. And the flexibility allows students to not only take courses that are going to be focused in their areas of interest and their career options and choices, but it also is both in online and in person. One of the really great benefits too in the more recent year is that we've been incorporating a lot more of a cohort experience. So whether you're on campus or whether you're online, you're having that opportunity to really get to know your fellow classmates, engage with the faculty in the department, and have opportunities to really get to know some of our vendors and clients who come out and eventually hire our students as well as work with them on various types of projects. So it's a wonderful experience that the students get to really not only just learn about IS and IT in the classroom, but also an opportunity to work on projects as part of their final capstone course. So they'll get to work in a live project with an industry leader to understand further what's really going to be required of them in the field.